I'm about to go hunt. I'm at a place where I found some really good stuff. I may dig 5 holes. I don't know. Who knows? We're gonna see. But the moment I get here, it starts raining. Can you hear it? Bouncing off the top of the Mustang. It be like that. But the treasure waits for no one, so let's get it. I'm gonna go get in this rain. I'm gonna get wet. Oh well. Well, it's raining really good now. But I'm under some trees. And there's no lightning, so I'm not too worried about it. But I got a nice little signal here. Let's see what it is. Found it. It's a big old bottle cap. I know that's what it is. Texas twist off. All right, check this out. So it's raining right now. So I got underneath this tree, as you can see, and I heard this, like, I thought it was just gonna be like a surface quarter. So I pop out the clump, right? But look at that edge. That's a silver reeded edge right there. And I got a Mercury dime in the rain. Look at that little imprint right there too. See what year it is. It's a pretty Merc too, not bad. Let's see here, that's a, hold on, I think it's a 42. Yeah, 1942. Look at that, that's crazy. Well, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm like getting soaked. Anyway, on to the next. I'm like Jim Cantori out here, except better. Because I'm getting treasure. That makes me better than him. Remember that. That's worth a subscription. So why don't you subscribe? Because I'm out here in this rain making quality content. People out here getting soaked walking around. I'm here with a metal detector. I'm a metal detecting moron. Anyway, back at it. 85, 86 right here. Now it's showing like it's got some depth. I don't know that it does. I got my audio response turned up, so things that are deeper sound not as deep. But it's in the hole. We're still getting rained on. Hopefully it'll pass here soon. What is that? Well, it's not. I don't know what that is, actually. That might be something kind of cool. Let's see if we can open it up. What do we got here? Some kind of tag. But I know that some older dog tags look a little weird. I don't know, we'll have to clean it up and see. Here's a good learning moment. Okay, so you're looking at the ground. You see how you see these roots sticking up? That's a good sign. We know that not too much dirt has been put over here. So, something to look for. Exposed roots are always good. Look at that bad boy right there. God, that took forever. There's a big old hand wrought piece of iron nail right there. Still a signal. Still a signal in the hole. But I'm starting to lean toward it being the So there's the signal. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, I think we can. And I think we're close. All right, and we're very close. So let's get down in there and see. Be something worth removing all that junk for, please. I see something. What is it? It's heavy. What do we got there? So deep. Ooh. I know what this is. This is a, I think it's a 10 gauge brass shotgun shell. Actually, that's gonna take some cleaning, but like where the whole thing is brass, that's old. That is old right there. Cool. Now, I didn't record this when I opened the hole, or when I just thought it'd be like a bottle cap or like a zinc penny, but I see something in the bottom here that looks weird. I think it's a token. Watch it just be like a Chuck E. Cheese or something. Oh, I see the state of Texas on it. That's a good sign. Is this the no cash value side? Yeah. Alright, well, we'll have to get it cleaned up. I'm sure you'll see it in the video, because normally I do post a little picture. Alright, well, something interesting. Kind of a deep 80s target here. Maybe. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. There's lots of iron here. Maybe I should, like, you know, there's a reason I don't detect with just like the external audio on, because I want to find the good stuff, and I don't like the external audio. Maybe I should do it and then turn it on when I find a target. It just adds so much more time to everything. 82 in the plug. What do we got there? Is that it? It's kind of weird looking. What is that? I don't know what that is. Let's see if there's any more. No? That was it. Tiny. To be making so much racket. Something here is weird. Can't really tell how big it is either. So it's in the 80s. It's kind of a low 80s. It's stumping me a little bit. It could be something I don't want to dig. And by something I don't want to dig, I mean, like, I don't know, something you shouldn't dig. 87, 88 in the hole. Let me know in the comments. Should I start going external audio? External audio or what? Ooh. What is that? Did I get it? Oh, well, we got a coin. But that sounded bigger than just a coin. What is that? Is it a wheat penny? It is. Is there more in there? Because... Huh. There's no way the moisture is getting into it that much. Let's go back over this thing. I guess so. Weird. That was weird. That was weird. Nice little tone here. I almost want to say it sounds like maybe a quarter. Let's see. It's not deep. Not deep. Probably it's either in the plug or just below the plug. Where is it? I'm an idiot. That's what I am. It's over here. What is that?
I still don't have it? What's going on here? Shenanigans is what's going on here. Where is it? Oh, I think we got some jewelry. We do. It's an old junky earring. Is it silver? Yeah, it might be. It's hard to tell with all the mud on it. Might be though. We'll stick that in the pouch, we'll find out. No wonder it was weird. Anytime something's like a weird shape, it can be tough to find. Especially if it's like a big loop. Now, this is a trashy signal, but there's something weird. Is it a can? Probably. It just looks weird. Yeah, it's a big old can. I wanted to record that part though. Bug out. Is that what it says? Whatever it says, it's trash. This is probably gonna be my last target, because I've been digging like the exact same kind of target and coming up empty-handed, except for the beginning when it was raining and I got that silver merc. It was like right near the surface. But this is a low 80s. So let's hope for an Indian. I like an Indian. You know, at what point are we just going to start calling them Native American cents? We really should. All right, well, they're good. There's a solid target in there. But where? Maybe it's a little deeper than I expected. Or maybe I'm off. I've been off all day. Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, I opened it up a little more. Now let's get the pin pointer down in there. All right. It's right there, right at the very bottom. Let me adjust the camera so you can see it. Oh. Is that a coin? I think it is. What do we got? It's green. Slick too, boy. Just the camera here. All that way? That's gotta be an old wheat cent. It is. Maybe we'll be able to get a date off of it. When they're real old, it's kind of tough to get dates off of them, I found. We'll see. Maybe it'll be an old, maybe a 1909 VDB. Man, I got bugs all over me. They love me because I taste good. I might actually be the best tasting metal detectorist to bugs. Got another one. I thought maybe that would be my last one. Also, if you've watched this channel, I have about 4 or 5 last holes. It's just, it is what it is. Oh, now someone told me that my digging audio has been pretty bad lately, and I'm working on a good solution. I hope. I'm trying to. I'm trying to. Well, there's a target in here, so that's good. See, sometimes when you open the hole, you know, you're like, ah, well, it's no good. We got something right down here at the bottom of the hole. But what is it? Oh, I see a coin. Did we get it? We did get it. What is it? I think this might be an Indian. Can't tell though because my hands are all wet. Is this another wheat cent? Yep. It's a green wheat cent, I'll tell you that much. Yep, 1 cent. Solid bottle cap, Tom. Let's check it out. Starting to really think it's a bottle cap now. Cause I hit something, it's like plunk. Let's see if I can get my pinpointer out. What is that? Oh, it's one of those things. It's like a line insulator or something like that. Yeah. Well, to be quite honest, I thought this was just going to be a pull tab on the surface. But it's not a pull. Well, that ended up being an okay hunt. But I'm soaked. Because it rained. But I got some silver. And I got a token. And I got what I think is a very old shotgun shell. If it's not, it's got to be one of the biggest shell casings I've ever found, period. But I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It's a shotgun. And that makes it old. Sorry for the terrible camera work. I'm a little disheveled. Anyway, I'm going to go home. I'm going to get out these wet clothes. What else am I going to do? I don't know. But I do know, if you email me at igetthattreasure@gmail.com and you ask for some stickers or whatever else swag I have at the time, I will send it to you free of charge. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you're out there getting that treasure this week. And I'll see you Wednesday with a favorite finds video. Thank you for watching.